How to deduct stock loss from taxable income in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you sold stocks, ETFs, or cryptos at a loss, you can use capital losses to lower your taxable income. The first thing you want to do is gather your 1099-B, which is your investment tax form. Now, log into TurboTax and open your tax return. Go to Wages and Income, then select Investments and Saving. Select stocks, cryptocurrency, mutual funds, bonds, and other. Now select add a new 1099-B and choose your brokerage from the list. Now, if your broker partners with TurboTax, you can import your 1099-B automatically. If not, you want to enter all the details manually. Capital losses offset capital gains first. If you had more losses than gains, you can deduct up to $3,000 per year from your regular income. Any excess losses over $3,000 can be carried forward to future tax years. TurboTax will show how much capital loss you can deduct this year. Now you want to check all the details that you have entered. Now finish your return and file electronically or by mail, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.